Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Matchbox 1962 Volkswagen Beetle from 2022 Germany series. The base and tires are plastic. The wheels are rolling. Now, let's see it on the turntable. It has headlight detail, tail light detail, front and back details. The plastic base is chrome, hence the front and back bumpers are chrome, and this add vintage feel to this diecast. No decals on the top. Now let's compare it with diecast with the same scale from Greenlight. As we can see, the Matchbox Beetle is bigger than the one from Greenlight. Although the details are inferior to Greenlight, the color scheme is attractive and this is quite unique. When you see this diecast at store, grab it. Now if we look closely, this version is missing detail for grille on the back. It should be painted in silver like previous version. And if you notice the roof, it is supposed to be convertible roof, but no color detail on it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.